Hello friends! Welcome back to Learn with DreamWords today. We're diving into the world of wild animals and learning their names in English. It's going to be wild, fun, and educational. So make sure to hit that subscribe button before we start. Ready to explore? Let's get into it. Cheetah. Cheetah. Lion. Lion. Tiger. Tiger. Elephant. Elephant. Panda. Panda. Zebra. Zebra. Koala. Koala. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Dolphin. Dolphin. Whale. Whale. Shark. Shark. Octopus. Octopus. Crab. Crab. Shrimp. Shrimp. Clownfish. Clownfish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. Trout. Trout. Catfish. Catfish. Owl. Owl. Condor. Condor. Parrot. Parrot. Cockatoo. Cockatoo. Toucan. Toucan. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Pigeon. Pigeon. Peacock. Peacock. Fox, fox. Horse, horse. Cow, cow. Sheep, sheep. Donkey, donkey. Buffalo, buffalo. Elk, elk. Fawn, fawn. Tapir, tapir. Sea lion, sea lion. Gharial, gharial. That's it for today's wild adventure. I hope you had fun learning the names of these amazing animals in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.